All right, so in this webinar excerpt, we'll explore how A/B testing and analytics work in Klaviyo.
And for all of this, I just have to touch on A/B testing because we should just really be always testing the things that we're implementing, working to continuously improve that performance, testing different elements to see what resonates. And so we'll look at that in our example. But some of the things that you can test include subject lines, email content, your call to actions, but really testing your sending times and your frequency, I think can be helpful as well. And then just analyzing those results. What doesn't get measured doesn't get done is a saying that gets used a lot in business, but it's really true. If you're doing the A/B testing and then not analyzing the results, there's really no point in A/B testing to begin with. So make sure that you're kind of closing the loop and seeing that test all the way through and analyzing the performance is really important because sometimes we have great ideas, we test it, maybe it didn't perform as well as we thought. That's okay. We'll test something new. And it's a continuous journey of optimizing along the way. Yeah, I mentioned analytics. I'll go through this quickly, but they have data on anything that you want to watch. You really want to watch your open rates, click rates, conversion rates, revenue, unsubscribe rates. Make sure that those are constantly making progress, and then just using that data to inform your strategy and drive your decisions.